So I think it's no surprise that election security is going to be front and center in both the midterm elections in 2018 as well as the 2020 elections, obviously. The federal budget includes over $300 million for election security, and it's going to be deployed via DHS out to the states. Not just electronic security, it's not just your information security, but it's the physical security of your paper ballots, your storage facilities, and even the optical scanning devices that are part of that elections infrastructure. Adding to the complexity of the elections infrastructure situation is the fact that elections officials have to secure systems across the entire elections continuum. This includes voter registration, election night management, voter capture devices, tabulation of results, and then publishing those results. In order to assist state and local governments with this challenge of election security, the Center for Internet Security has developed something very similar to the MSISAC, an Elections Infrastructure Information Sharing and Analysis Center. And they offer very similar things that the MSISAC does, but they tailor it very specifically to election-specific threats, threat vectors, intelligence, reporting, etc. Similar to the MSISAC, the Elections ISAC is also free to state, local, tribal, and territorial governments. The Elections ISAC has also developed a handbook for election security, which specifically addresses the unique nature of election security, the types of architecture employed, the types of ballots that are going to be deployed, the continuum throughout the elections process. And that kind of gives you those best practices to apply to your elections program.